So when you play any video, they're showing for your ads. So people ask me one question. So I can play my videos on my YouTube channel. How to turn off my particular video ads? Suppose I'm selecting for this video. When play this video, they can show along with the ads also. So when I'm playing for, they're showing for all green ads. They will be showing for yellow color ads. This all will be green monetization, yellow type of ads. So when coming to yellow, the ad will be showing for your particular YouTube video. How to stop these videos on your particular videos? It is called your all yellows. It's all your ads. The turn off purpose, simple. We can go to your video manager. In this, which one you can create? How to create an email campaign? Just edit. In the edit, option call is monetization. Option call is monetization. In the monetization, go to usage policy. Click here. We can block in all countries. We can block in all countries. Or else we can disable by all. Only display will be came. There will be came or not will be question mark will be simultaneously. So we can disable by the overlay ad, sponsor card, skippable video and non-skippable video ads. Or else simply call block in all countries. Go to monetization. The option call is monetization status set by the block in all countries. Once click, after click for save changes. The ads will be turned off on your particular videos. This is called turn on and turn off your videos ads on particular YouTube channels.